Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to convert PDF to Word. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Whether you need to extract text images or tables from a PDF, or you simply want to edit the content seamlessly, we've got you covered. So this works on both iOS Android devices and Windows PCs. Open any web browser on your device. It doesn't matter if it's Chrome, Mozilla, or Safari. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll open Safari. Then type Convert PDF to Word and search for it. Now you will have a bunch of different websites on the page. Tap right here because it works flawlessly. When you open the website, it's going to look like this. Now click on Select PDF File. It's going to open your Files app or the Files Manager, so just find your PDF file, so I'll select this PDF file. Then click on this Convert to Word button right here. It will take a few seconds. Once it is done, click on the Download button, so your PDF file will be converted to a Word document, and now you can edit your documents and do whatever you want with them. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.